In this video, we are going to discuss the transfer function of a control system. Not only for control system, for any system, the transfer function is the ratio of Laplace transform or a transform of output to transform of input. That is the ratio of transform of output to transform of input. Similarly, for control system also, the transfer function of a control system is the ratio of Laplace transform of output to Laplace transform of input. So, generally in control systems topic, we are going to prefer Laplace transforms. So, the equation of transfer function is equivalent to Laplace transform of output to Laplace transform of input with 0 initial conditions. So, here for example, I am having a closed loop control system like this. So, I am having R of S as my input transform and I am having a summer here. So, I am having a negative feedback system like this, and here this is my open loop gain G, and this is my output transform, and this is about my feedback. My feedback gain is H, feedback element gain is H. So, this is my closed loop control system here, where input is R of t, where the input transform is R of S and output is C of t, and the Laplace transform of that output C of t is C of S. So, everything I consider in terms of frequency domain and gains. So, here in case of this system, this is a negative feedback system. In case of this system, so if you want transfer function, so you need to get by using C of S by R of S. You need to get C of S by R of S. So, how we can get C of S by R of S? Before getting C of S by R of S or transfer function, I want to get the value here. So, here you can see this is R of S minus C of S into H. So, this is the point of C of S. So, C of S into H. So, I am considering like CH or C of S into H. So, this is the point. So, here this signal and the feedback signal is nothing but H into C of S. So, H into C of S. So, R of S minus H into C of S. So, H into C of S will be the value at this point output. At this point output, so R of S minus H into C of S. The gain, where H is the feedback loop gain and C of S we are taking as feedback with the gain H. So, here the value at here is equivalent to R of S minus H into C of S. Now, if you want to write the equation for the output at present point, so the C of S is equivalent to R of S minus H into C of S, H into C of S into G. So, here I can write this as R of S into G, R of S into G minus GH into C of S, GH into C of S. I am just multiplying to inside. This G I am multiplying to inside. Here I am having C of S, another C of S I am having here. So, now I can take that C of S to left side. So, I will get, I can take common of C of S, 1 plus GH is equivalent to R of S into G. But to get the transfer function, the equation is Laplace transform of output by Laplace transform of input. The Laplace transform of output is C of S, Laplace transform of input is R of S. To get transfer function T, you need to get C of S by R of S form. So, if you send this R of S to this side, you are going to get the transfer function of the system. Like this way, you need to calculate for positive feedback system also. So, maximum we are going to prefer negative feedback systems. So, G by 1 plus GH will be the transfer function of negative feedback system. So, like this, if you calculated the same for positive feedback system, you are going to get G by 1 minus GH. So, this is about transfer function of the system. In the next class, we will see how many types of feedbacks are there. So, this is negative feedback system. We are having positive feedback also. In the next class, we will see how many types of feedbacks are there, how we will write the transfer function of that positive and negative feedback control systems. So, we will see clearly there. So, this for negative feedback system, the same we are going to derive in the next class also along with positive feedback system. So, here the transfer function is nothing but the ratio of output transform by input transform. In case of control systems, we are going to prefer our output transform as C of S and input transform as R of S. This is closed loop control system output, this is reference input. So, that is why I am representing with R. So, here control system output I am representing with C. So, the transform Laplace transform of this output is equal into C of S and the Laplace transform of input or reference signal is equal into R of S. When you got C of S by R of S form, then that is nothing but the transfer function of that particular control system.